How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about crack your knuckles, a step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So I'm going to show you guys the proper way to crack your knuckles. If you do this incorrectly, then yes, you can hurt your knuckles. And if you do it incorrectly for a long period of time, then yes, you can damage your knuckles. There is a proper way of cracking your knuckles. There's an incorrect way of cracking your knuckles. So basically, to crack your knuckles, you want to go off of feel. If at any point you feel pain cracking your knuckles, that is a sign that you are pressing too hard. There's also a proper way of cracking your knuckles. You will notice with your hand, there's a knuckle here and there's a knuckle here. This is your top knuckle. This is the middle knuckle. Then you got a little knuckle down here. So top and middle knuckle, you want to put this hand, the palm, right in the middle. Personally, I go just a little bit lower so it's closer to this knuckle. Now listen really carefully. Hear that loud crack? Keep in mind, just because mine cracked, if yours do not crack, that is perfectly fine. Like if I do this one, that one actually cracked really loud too. Normally this hand doesn't crack very loud, or it doesn't crack at all. This is usually the hand that cracks. For everyone, normally you're probably gonna have one hand that cracks really loud. The other one might not crack at all. That's normal. Now, the cracking sound has literally nothing to do with the point of cracking your knuckles. The point of doing this is to help relieve tension, pain, and just basically overall help your knuckles to remain healthy. So if you don't hear a cracking sound, that's perfectly normal. That's fine. That doesn't mean anything. What we want to do is just go like this and then press down again really light. If you feel pain when doing this, you are pressing way too hard. You don't have to press hard. You literally just go like this. I'm just doing little pushes like this. 4, 5. I like to do it 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, I'm barely pushing down on my knuckles. I'm just giving a little push. And you can hear there is no cracking sound. After the first or second cracks, you're not going to hear your knuckles crack normally. And we're just going to go like this. And then I like to go like this maybe for 10 seconds. Just kind of get the tension relief in the knuckles. Now, after doing this, if you feel pain in your knuckles, that's going to be okay because you're just starting to crack your knuckles a little bit. I shouldn't say pain. If they're a little bit sore, that's normal. Again, you should not feel pain ever when doing this. So like I said, just keep doing it. I'd like to do normally 2 or 3 rounds. So I'll go like this, 1, 2, 3, and I'll do that 10 times on this hand, 10 times on that hand, and then I'll do it another time. That's what I do, and I've been doing this for about 3-4 years now. So I crack my knuckles almost every single day, you guys, and it does help. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching.